So Samsung has recently announced their Galaxy S26 FE, which is replacing the Galaxy S25 FE in the market. But the question is it waterproof? In short answer, no, it isn't. Rather, it is water resistant, but then it does have the IP68 rating. So you might be thinking, what does that actually mean? Well, water resistance is something that is explained by this IP68 rating or this IP ratings overall. And it actually shows that a device's enclosure protection against solid particles or water. In this case, the first number is 6, which shows the protection against solid particles. This is also the best rating. That means the device is completely dust-proof. So unless we repair it by ourselves or break the seal somehow, there is no way dust can enter inside the device and damage any components. And then there is the second number, in this case 8. This is a vital number. That means the device can resist water up to a depth of 1.5 meters for 30 minutes. And this is also the minimum. Any company can come up and test and make the result even more larger, like 6 meters for 30 minutes or anything like that. In the case of the Galaxy S26 FE, this is actually the 1.5 meters for 30 minutes. So the Galaxy S26 FE is not going to get affected by water immersion up to a depth of 1.5 meters for 30 minutes. But then I'm talking about only the fresh water here. Then also has been done inside the laboratory. So the real life scenarios will always be different. But if you are thinking about the chemical water or salt water or seawater or beverages, then those things actually can damage the components inside the smartphone and they won't be covered under the warranty generally. So in simple answer, you can do light shower with it, you can take it to the swimming pool, but you can't go diving with it. Rain is fine, but you can't go swim with it. And on top of everything else, this IP rating is only good for few years when the phone is almost new. It's over the years of wear and tear, the seal will get also damaged. And then there is a good chance your phone will be affected by water immersion or even dust. So yeah, that's totally the IP68 for the Galaxy S26 FE.
And yes, if you want, you can get some crazy cool wallpapers up on my website. A link down below. Until the next one, bye and take care.